Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about posterior compartment of thigh. Posterior compartment of thigh is also called hamstring compartment. This hamstring compartment has three muscles that are semimembranosus, semitendinosus and then bicep femoris. As its name implies bicep femoris, it has two head. One is the long head and the other is short head. Okay, and all these muscles are supplied by the sciatic nerve, okay, which is the largest nerve in our body. Most of the muscles of the posterior compartment of thigh are supplied by the tibial part of sciatic nerve, but exception is the short head of bicep femoris, which is supplied by the common peroneal nerve or common fibular nerve. Okay, and this is the iliac crest, greater sciatic notch, ischial spine, lesser sciatic notch, and this is the ischial tuberosity. Okay, most of the posterior compartment of thigh muscles are originated from this ischial tuberosity and inserted to the tibia or fibula. Okay, first we are going to see about this ischial tuberosity. Okay, this ischial tuberosity has upper part and the lower part. Like this we have upper part and the lower part, and this is the lateral side, medial side. Lateral, medial. Okay, and from this area, that is lateral side of lower part, give its area for the origin of hamstring part of adductor magnus muscle from this area. Okay, and in the upper part we have a oblique ridge which separate the two parts. One is the suprolateral part and the other is infromedial part. Okay, suprolateral part and the infromedial part. Infromedial part, this area, this lateral side of lower part for attachment of hamstring part of adductor magnus, and this supralateral part for attachment of semimembranosus muscle, and this infromedial part for attachment of semitendinosus muscle, and then long head of bicep femoris. Okay, this thing you want to know, and this medial side, lower part of medial side, covered by the connective tissue, and this area we have bursa. Okay, and somewhat it is palpable also. Okay, and first thing you want to know that semimembranosus muscle. Okay, semimembranosus muscle attachment from the supralateral part, upper part of supralateral part. Okay, from this area it take its origin and inserted to the horizontal groove that is in the posterior view of tibia, upper end of tibia. Okay, from here and inserted here. Okay, like this we have semimembranosus muscle. Okay, and next muscle is the semitendinosus muscle that take its origin from the infromedial part. Here, okay. From here it take its origin and inserted to the medial surface of tibia, that is behind the insertion of gracilis and sartorius muscle. In the anterior view it gets inserted. Here onwards it have this tendon and inserted in the anterior view, that is in the pes anserinus. Pes anserinus. Okay, and next muscle is the long head of bicep femoris. Long head of bicep femoris take its origin from the infromedial part just inferior to the semitendinosus. From here it gets its origin and inserted to the fibula, lateral side of fibula. Okay. And short head take its origin from the linea aspera and some extent also from the lateral supracondylar line. Okay, that is from here it take its origin. Okay, and these two heads have the common tendon like this, and this inserted in the lateral side of fibula. Okay, long head originated from the infromedial part and short head originated from the lateral lip of linea aspera and some extent also from the lateral supracondylar line, and both these tendons combined and inserted in the upper end of lateral side of fibula. Okay, that's all about these muscles. This muscle is the semimembranosus. Semimembranosus, and this muscle is semitendinosus. And then this muscle is long head of bicep femoris. And then this is short head of bicep femoris. and both commonly inserted in the upper end of lateral side of fibula. Okay, and all these muscles are supplied by the sciatic nerve. All these muscles are supplied by the sciatic nerve, mostly tibial part, but the exception is bicep femoris. This muscle, bicep femoris, supplied by the common fibular nerve, or also called common fibular nerve, is also called common peroneal nerve. Okay, common fibular nerve or common peroneal nerve. Okay, and sciatic nerve is the largest nerve in our body. Okay, and that's all about the posterior compartment of thigh. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box, and share our videos, like our videos, and subscribe our channel and motivate us. Okay, thank you everyone.